Hey guys, welcome to daytradetowin.com. Today I wanted to show you some recent examples, recent trading signals. These are generated by the Atlas line trading strategy, day trading software. The blue line right here, drawn at an angle, this is the Atlas line. It's automatically drawn by the software. You don't need to do it manually or anything like that. It's automatically generated. The software also gives you these exact trading signals with the entry price. Like you see in the chart, it says Atlas long 28.25. That's the price you want to pay, where you want to enter as soon as you get the signal. Then we would refer to the ATR, the average true range, to find the profit target. We simply take profit at 1 times the ATR value according to the simple Atlas line trading strategy rules. And in this case, the profit target was 3 points. 1 point means $50 per contract traded, so in total $150. If you trade 5 contracts, for example, that would be $750. Here's another trading signal. If you see the S's here, the S stands for strength, and this indicates that the market is currently showing strength, and that's something that we want to take advantage of. So these strength trades we enter at the close of the candle with the third S. For these strength trades, we're looking to profit 1 point. That's $50 per contract. So these 2 example trades here would have made you $1,000 if you traded only 5 contracts, or of course $2,000 if you traded 10 contracts. The Atlas line software, it's really easy to use. You get these signals generated automatically. So it's just a matter of entering the trades and managing your trade from there. So that's it. Go to daytradetowin.com and have a look at the Atlas line trading strategy and start using it yourself. See you later. Bye bye.